Hello, and welcome to another update video on HBAR. So we see here on the HBAR chart that the price got rejected at this next signal line, at this next resistance line around 15.2 cents. And with a rejection there, another low in the region between 11.8 to 10.4 cents has become more likely. Basically, what I've been telling you over the last few days was that we haven't seen any upside reversal confirmation. That's exactly why we do the work here at MCO every single day. Because even though sometimes we see a nice bounce, a nice and large bounce, if the structure isn't there, there is no confirmation for an upside reversal. Now, a lot of people got really bullish here after this 20% or 25% move to the upside after the 21st of November. What I've been highlighting in previous updates is that we only have 3 waves up. We only have a 3-wave move to the upside so far. And guys, a 3-wave move to the upside leaves us without any confirmation that a meaningful low has formed. Yeah, it's always the same. Now we have a situation here in which we have 3 waves up and 3 waves down. That technically still leaves room for further upside, but the bulls would need to show up in this particular region here, and it cannot be high confidence. You know, had we seen a clear and meaningful 5-wave move up, things would look a little different. But with only 3 waves up, the risk for further downside remains very high. And I would need to see, ideally, I mean, for the bulls to show up, yeah, time is running out because they would need to do that here. When you watch the video update, maybe we already broke below that level here. 12.8 cents is the 78.6 retracement. And I mean, I consider this could still be a low in wave 2, honestly, but then the wave 1 is 3 waves, and then this means the next move up is a diagonal. And I don't want to get too complicated or technical here, but yeah, it's low confidence. In fact, what is becoming more likely is that this is obviously all part of a larger correction, a very, very complex correction. Now, we observe something in this cycle that we haven't seen in many previous cycles, that corrections turn into very, very complex patterns. The WXYXZ pattern is a very, very complex form of a correction. It's very rare, and therefore, yeah, it normally doesn't occur very often. But in this cycle, it has occurred quite a few times whenever the altcoins, for example, were ready for a reversal, but Bitcoin wasn't, and then they continue to extend, right? But anyway, until we get 5 waves up, there is no meaningful low. Earliest indication that a low of sorts is in would be a break above 15.5 cents. For now, this remains a falling knife. No real setup here for higher prices. If anything changes, I will, of course, let you know. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel as well for additional updates. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.